Okay, this is how you're going to complete today's assignment. When you open up my class and go to classwork at the top of the stream, you're going to see it's not all true. So you're going to click on it, click View Assignment. Here is your assignment. So you're going to need to read the instructions. It says click on the title, this website, Save the Pacific Northwest Tree Octopus. And when you click on this, as you look at this website, it looks like there's an endangered octopus that lives in a pine tree somewhere in the northwest part of the North American continent, which is the country that we live in. So when you look at this website, there's a tab for helping, frequently asked questions, even sightings. So you can see here's a video of an octopus climbing up a tree. So everything about this website looks like it's true. But if I go and I just do a Google search for Pacific Northwest tree octopus, and I come down to the Wikipedia page for it, the very first sentence says the Pacific Northwest tree octopus is an internet hoax created by a humor or a comedian writer. It's a fictitious endangered species. And so in other words, nothing about that website is true. So this brain pop video right here called Online Sources, this video is going to explain to you how you need to make sure you verify information that you're reading on the internet, especially because anybody can post anything they want. So your assignment is going to be to click on this brain pop video. And once you start to try to play it, you're going to have to log in. I've already logged in. So you log in with WOBrain and the password that's on your green headphone bag. You're going to watch the video. As you watch the video, you have a fact sheet where you're going to be writing down the definitions of 5 words that I've given you. So as you're watching this video, these words are going to appear in black right here. Do you see that? See, there's one that says "Don't Publisher." So when you see the words that are on your piece of paper pop up here, you need to pause the video and you need to write down the definition that they're giving you. And they're going to appear in the video in the same order that they're on your sheet of paper. So watch the entire video, write down the definitions, and then close out a brain pop. Then come over and click on the right-hand side where you have this Google slide. And your job is going to be to pull these definitions to the correct word that they define. And you can use your piece of paper where you wrote the definitions down. Now, of course, I didn't put them in the right order. You're going to need to pull the definition to publisher next to the word publisher. Once you have all 5 of them done, close the tab and then make sure you click Turn In. And then, of course, you're going to go up here and sign out of Google Classroom. Then you can put your piece of paper in the trash and leave your pencil on your desk, and your teacher will come and get it from you.